Hi, fellow Django developers. Hezekiah here from AlwaysDjango.com, where we discuss interesting Django topics that helps you grow, improve as a Django developer. So, if that sounds interesting, like, subscribe, share this video with anyone you feel will find this video important. So, Happy New Year, guys! Very happy New Year. How is the year starting off for you? I hope you have set our goals, we have set our objectives that we want to achieve for the year, right? So in that spirit, that's why I'm creating this video, right? This is the first time I'm really like recording a video with my face on it for this channel for YouTube, right? So and it's with my phone, right? So I don't know how it's coming out. I don't know how good it will look. What I'm really concerned with is the message I'm passing, and that's what I think you should concentrate on, right? So we are going to discuss like last year we hit 300 subscribers, right? Just maybe 2 months after starting the channel, we got to 300 subscribers. For most people, it's not something big, right? For most people, it's not really something you should concentrate about, right? So, but for me, it's a milestone, right? Because I started the channel just by just clicking, trying to do something, and I just started the channel, right? And to get to that point now means possibly I'm doing something right, and you guys are enjoying it, which is what I really want, right? So I want to like because we are starting up the year, most of us have set our targets, and I feel that for most of our subscribers, especially the ones who are starting to learn Django, like our targets should be might be trying to learn Django, become better Django developers this year, right? So I'm going to give, let me say, five tips, advice that I think you should follow to become Django developers this year, 2023, right? So the first one is, so how do you become a Django developer? It's by becoming a Django developer, right? So you want to become a Django developer. So start up. So that's the first advice. Start up, right? So start off with simple Django topics like what's the first step? What is Django, right? You have to know what is Django. Second step, how can I install Django on my system? How can I start running Django on my system? How can I create a project in Django? Then you start off from there, right? So we all know the sayings, we all know the saying that an ocean is made by drops of water. A journey of a milestone starts with just a step and the whole thing. Like so, the advice is not. This is not the first time we're hearing it. I don't think it's the first time we're hearing it, but I'm laying emphasis on it. First step to becoming a Django developer this year, 2023, is trying to become a Django developer. Start from the barest minimum. Let me say, learn one Django concept every day, right? We have 365 days in a year. If we learn one Django concept every day, means 365 concepts, and I don't think you read more up to 365 concepts to start working on web projects with Django, right? So the second advice is challenges, right? Challenges and bugs. That's what we call them in programming, right? So your bugs. Treat your bugs like your stepping stone, right? You shouldn't. Well, we have all heard it. We shouldn't treat challenges like stumbling blocks. We should treat them like stepping stones. So treat your bugs, treat your challenges. Generally, guys, not really only programming. And what I'm saying here might also extend to different sections of your life, different parts of your life. If you want to do something, you start up that thing, you meet challenges, you just treat them as your stepping stones and not as a stumbling block. So that's the second step. Challenges, that's the second advice. Challenges your bugs. I take myself as example, right? When I was new to Django, like if you know about secular imports in Python, I did secular imports on my project, like a personal project I was working on, just using to learn, right? I did secular import, and it was erroring out on me. It was like seriously erroring out. That book, because where I'm staying, I don't really have like people that have interest in tech and program, quote unquote, tech and programming, right? So it was difficult, right? That particular bug, that secular import, I didn't know what it is. I was stuck with the bug for like 3 weeks, right, for 3 weeks, and it made me start learning as in other things I didn't know about. Things like dunder, like underscore in it, the py and things like that. So that's the second step. Your bug, treat them like something you used to learn, right? They are there to teach you. Like there is no how you will run your code. Anytime you want to hit that F5, that rerun, that run button, just know that there's every possibility, there is 75 possibility that your code will not run as expected, right? So the third step is third third advice is just like the former one, challenges. Third step is keep going, right? Like I get this question very often. Like most people be like, how long does it take me to become a Django developer? How long does it take me to learn Django and become a Django developer? I'll be like, forever. Just as long as you want to be a Django developer, that's how long it takes you to learn Django, right? I don't subscribe to the idea that there is there is a period of time you used to learn programming or basically anything, like any career you're talking of. I don't think there's a a time span for you to learn that career. And like I think you should keep going. Like you should keep learning. You should keep with Django. Maybe you will know Django very well. Maybe that might be packages you will need to learn. You need to learn or you need to learn this. You need to learn this, and maybe there will be a when new Django is released, right? You don't want to be stuck with the old one because you know Django 2. You don't want to get synchronized with Django 3, right? Because you feel you have learned Django. So for me, there's no time span to learn, right? You just keep going, you just keep going, you just keep learning. The fourth exam, sorry guys, the fourth advice is outsource, meet people, meet programmers. I told you about the bug I had like for 3 weeks. Assuming I'm not really an open person. Sorry if I'm getting out of track. I'm not really an open person. So meeting people is like very difficult for me. But that's why I'm advising you, because I know it's important and I'm having problems with it. I'm struggling with it. That's why I'm advising you to outsource, meet people, meet new developers, and learn, right? Learn from them. Then the fifth one is just like the last one, it's me, right? Man, ask me questions, right? You see a tutorial on this channel, you don't understand what is discussed, you don't feel it's clear, drop it on the comment, right? I'll also leave a link to my Facebook page, my personal Facebook page, so that you can maybe text me or ask me questions, anything about programming, right? If I don't know it, I'll be like, I don't know it, or I'll research, I'll try to learn it and maybe try to clarify. I, I'll I'll mention one of our subscribers here. His name is Usman, right? Usman, if you're watching this video, big ups, thumbs up. So he watched one of our videos when we were starting out, like the first 5 videos. I don't know which in particular. The first 5 videos, he watched it. He was like, it was not clear. So he commented. I replied. From there, we started talking. Then, like currently, right now, I have his WhatsApp number, so I chat him on a personal basis. He sends me code, I review it, I send it back to him. I'll be like, improve this, do this, and he also sometimes he gives me tips on topics I should treat, right? So if you have a question, if you have any question you have, we also have a Facebook page. We have a WhatsApp channel. So if you want to join the Facebook page, if you want to join the WhatsApp channel, the WhatsApp group, leave a comment in the section so that I can reply you and we see how we can get things fixed. Right. So that's it generally for me, guys. Just these 5 advice. That's what I think is important for you. Happy New Year again. Take care of yourself. That's more important. Take care of your health. Take care of your mental, physical health. Otherwise, take care of yourself and yes, just these 5 tips. This is what I think will be important. If you feel that other things are important, also leave it in the comment so that other people can learn, because that's what we are here for. Again, my target for this year is to meet up, like help people learn programming, help people learn Django, right? So I pray I want you to help me to meet other people by subscribing, liking, commenting. It helps with the algorithm, right? So that more people will find this video, so that more people will find this channel, so that we will build a bigger community, build better programmers and help ourselves improve. Again, happy new year. I wish you the best in this new year. Thanks. Take care of yourself. Peace. Bye.